Good morning, David here. Weekly Week Look today is 23rd of September, 6:32 a.m. in the morning. Pre-market open, looking at November UK wheat chart 2016, and as usual, we'll start with the monthly chart in front of us. And here we are. We're seeing green at the present moment, a green month. Obviously, we had this negative month in August, coming to the last week in September. Obviously, last week, next week, and we closed last night at 26.60. Let's go down into the weekly chart. And you can see here, we can see green on the weekly chart. We had this positive week last week where we closed at 123.70. This week we're up here at 26.60. Obviously we're taking out the swing high here at 24.50.25. Let's go down to the all important daily chart, see where we are. Here, move that across. And you can see here quite clearly what's happened here. We've come down and obviously we created this gap here which we saw at the end of August. That now has been filled and is positive at the present moment. Obviously we got the swing high here. This was last June at 124.50, and obviously we got a green candle here last night on the close. Obviously first target would be here, back up the whole number at 130. And then 134.50. I'll just show you. I was just having a look at using. We had looked last year and the first part of this year of indicating the 60-day moving average, and you can see how important that has been over the last 2 months. Also combined with the swing high here at 24.50, you can see here when the market broke down through it, it gapped down through it. And now similarly on the upside, we've got this gap here where it then gapped up above it. So that's quite interesting to keep an eye on again as we develop this this now rally back up to close this gap here at 124.50. So obviously I'll just have a look on the pound, see what that's been doing this week. And you can see here that we were pushed down obviously below the 13,000 level, and this is against the Deutschmark, and we have recovered and we're sitting here again just above that level, obviously below the Brexit level, and obviously on the last 2 weeks we have been weaker, so obviously that has aided some of this support on the wheat market. Obviously wouldn't be surprised to see a retest again of this where we have the gap at 24.50.25. But at the moment it looks strong, and obviously we'll keep an eye on it next week and put an update this time next week.